MIBUNGE RUKU na ũrĩtie Minister UMWERU wa Kithomo kũrũthanga na karugi kũthiria thĩna iria ithiritwe bo kiri mubango ũrĩa gũtumĩka kuba arutwo ma university mbia cia mathomo. Ariuga mubango ũyũ ũteithiritwe ũkĩguna antu maria ni arutwa maria mari matura ni mena obatu kana mari na thĩna. Ariuga mari matauni ni mo methiritwe magitetheka bantu ba athini.
To the Minister of Education, the new Cabinet Secretary in charge of Education, you have to move with speed as far as explaining to Kenyans how the new funding model of the universities, tertiary colleges or TVET is concerned. We have seen this structure which is becoming a bit very tough as far as understanding to the people in our rural areas. So this finance model needs to be simplified, and if it's not possible to simplify that financing model, can we go back to the previous funding model? Because jamani, sisi wa Kenya tuko na mashida mingi. We have so many problems which are affecting us, from our roads, stima, maji, barabara zetu, pia katika kulipa fees ya university, ya secondary, ya tertiary colleges. Let's get simplified information from our government. We don't need very complicated issues from the government. Na hii ni jambo ambalo tumeambia rais wetu mara kwa mara, and we are telling Mr. President, please let Kenyans have as simple information as possible, which is easier to understand.